Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're hitting you with some crucial knowledge today. Stuff that could save you thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars. We're diving deep into the top 10 online investment traps that have been lurking around in 2024. These scams are getting more sophisticated, more believable, and sadly more common. But don't worry, I'm going to break down exactly how these scams work, and more importantly, how you can spot them from a mile away. Stay tuned until the very end, because I'm going to reveal the biggest red flags to watch out for so you can protect yourself and your hard-earned money.
Ponzi schemes, named after the infamous Charles Ponzi, are like financial vampires. They suck the money out of new investors to pay off older ones. These schemes promise ridiculously high returns with little to no risk, which should be your first red flag. Let's be real, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. They often lack real products or services, relying solely on that constant influx of new investor cash. Ask yourself, where is the money actually coming from? Legitimate investments generate revenue. Ponzi schemes just shuffle money around, hoping you won't notice. Look out for complex or secretive investment strategies. If you can't understand it, don't invest in it. Remember, complexity is often a smokescreen to hide what's really going on. Do your research. Check if the investment platform or company is registered with the SEC or your local securities regulator. If they're not, run for the hills. And finally, be wary of those high-pressure sales tactics. If someone is pushing you to invest right now before the opportunity disappears, it's probably a scam.
The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, but it's also become a breeding ground for scams, especially with initial coin offerings or ICOs. A legitimate ICO can be a great way to invest in a new project, but fake ICOs are everywhere, and they want to steal your crypto. These scammers create flashy websites and white papers, promising the moon, but it's all just smoke and mirrors. The first thing you need to do is thorough research on the team behind the ICO. Look for experience, a proven track record, and real people, not just anonymous profiles. Next, scrutinize that white paper. Does it make sense? Does it clearly outline the project's goals, technology, and how they plan to make money? Beware of vague language and unrealistic promises. And always check for independent reviews and audits. Look for trusted sources like CoinDesk or Cointelegraph. Remember, if an ICO is being heavily promoted on social media by people you don't know or trust, it's probably best to stay away.
Pump and dump schemes are like that friend who hypes up a party, gets everyone excited, then disappears before the cops show up. They artificially inflate the price of a stock, usually a penny stock with low trading volume, and then dump their shares for a profit, leaving unsuspecting investors holding the bag. These schemes often play out on social media, forums, or message boards. You'll see a sudden surge of positive messages about a stock, urging you to buy now before it skyrockets. Don't fall for it. Be wary of stocks with sudden, unexplained price increases and high trading volume. Do your due diligence. Research the company, check its financials, and look for any legitimate news or developments that could justify the price movement. Remember, if you see a stock being heavily promoted with little to no fundamental analysis or justification, it's probably a pump and dump. And never invest more than you can afford to lose, especially in volatile penny stocks. Phishing scams. Don't take the bait. Phishing scams are the digital equivalent of a wolf in sheep's clothing. They use fake emails, websites, or even text messages to trick you into revealing your personal information, like your login credentials or credit card details. These messages often look legitimate, mimicking the branding of banks, financial institutions, or even government agencies. Pay close attention to the sender's email address. Does it match the official address of the company or organization it claims to represent? Hover over any links before you click them. Are they directing you to the official website, or is it a suspicious-looking URL? Never, ever give out your personal or financial information through unsolicited emails or messages. If you're unsure about the legitimacy of a message, contact the company or organization directly using their official contact information. And remember, if it feels fishy, it probably is.
Fake investment apps. Don't download disaster. With the rise of mobile investing, fake investment apps have become increasingly common. These apps are designed to mimic legitimate platforms, tricking you into depositing money that you'll never see again. Before you download any investment app, always check the developer's information. Look for established companies with a positive track record. Read the app reviews carefully, paying attention to any red flags or reports of scams. Verify the app's legitimacy by checking the official app stores for Apple and Android. Look for the blue checkmark or verified badge next to the app's name. Remember, legitimate investment apps will never ask you to deposit money into a personal bank account. Always ensure you're depositing funds into a secure, regulated brokerage account. Social media scams. Unmasking the fake gurus and promises. Social media has become a breeding ground for investment scams, with scammers targeting unsuspecting victims through fake profiles, misleading ads, and get-rich-quick schemes. Be wary of anyone on social media promising guaranteed returns or claiming to have insider information. Remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Don't trust testimonials or reviews blindly. Scammers often create fake profiles to endorse their schemes. Always do your own research and verify the legitimacy of any investment opportunity before investing your hard-earned money. Be cautious of unsolicited investment advice or offers, especially from people you don't know or haven't verified. And remember, if you see a limited time offer or a sense of urgency to invest, it's probably a red flag.
High-yield investment programs, or HIIPs. They are like those microwave dinners that promise a gourmet meal in minutes. They rarely live up to the hype. These schemes promise unrealistically high returns, often within a short period, enticing investors with promises of quick and easy profits. However, the returns are often unsustainable and rely on recruiting new investors to pay off earlier ones, creating a classic Ponzi scheme structure. HIIPs often lack transparency, making it difficult to determine where your money is going or how it's being invested. Be skeptical of any investment opportunity promising unusually high returns with little to no risk. Remember, there's no such thing as a free lunch, especially in the world of investing. Always do your due diligence, research the company or platform thoroughly, and be wary of any red flags, such as a lack of transparency or unrealistic promises.
Forex scams. Navigating the currency exchange jungle. The foreign exchange market, or Forex, is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, attracting both legitimate traders and scammers alike. Forex scams often target inexperienced investors with promises of easy profits and automated trading systems that guarantee wins. Be cautious of brokers or signal providers guaranteeing unrealistic returns. Remember, Forex trading involves inherent risks, and no one can predict the market with 100% accuracy. Verify the legitimacy of any Forex broker before opening an account. Check if they're regulated by reputable financial authorities like the NFA or FCA. Be wary of high-pressure sales tactics or promises of quick riches. Legitimate brokers will focus on educating you about the risks and rewards of Forex trading, not pushing you to invest. Binary options, scams, gambling, not investing. Binary options trading has gained notoriety for being a hotbed of scams, often disguised as legitimate investment opportunities. These scams often involve unregulated brokers manipulating trading platforms to ensure investors lose their money. Be extremely cautious of any binary options broker or platform that guarantees wins or promises unrealistic returns. Remember, binary options trading is highly speculative and involves significant risk. Verify the regulatory status of any binary options broker before investing. Legitimate brokers are regulated by financial authorities, ensuring transparency and investor protection. Be wary of any platform that makes it difficult to withdraw your funds or charges excessive fees.
Fake financial advisors. Trust, but verify. Choosing a financial advisor is a big decision, one that can significantly impact your financial future. Unfortunately, scammers are aware of this and pose as financial advisors to prey on unsuspecting investors. Always verify the credentials and background of any financial advisor before entrusting them with your money. Check if they're registered with reputable organizations like the CFP Board or NAPI-FA. Be wary of advisors who pressure you into making quick decisions or investing in products you don't fully understand. A trustworthy advisor will prioritize your financial well-being and tailor their advice to your specific goals and risk tolerance. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek a second opinion, and trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is.
Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video gave you the knowledge and tools you need to protect yourself from these online investment traps. Remember, Knowledge is power, and by staying informed, you can make smarter investment decisions and avoid becoming a victim of these scams. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and building a secure financial future. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Stay safe and invest wisely.